Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your sound not working problem on your Messenger on your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to fix your sound problem on your Messenger app on your phone, first open the Messenger app on your phone itself. And after that, after you have opened your Messenger app, at the top left corner of the screen guys, you can see the three-lined icon over there. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here guys, after this panel appears at the top of the screen or at the top right corner of this panel, there is the settings icon available for us. Tap on that settings icon, and over here guys, scroll down from over here until you spot the notifications and sounds on your phone on your Messenger app. You can see there is the notifications and sound on my phone. Let's tap on the notifications and sounds, and over here guys, these are the sound settings of your Messenger app directly. So over here, if any of these toggle icons are turned off like this guys, if you can see, you can turn it off for until you want. But with that being said, if any of these icons are turned off like this guys, turn it back on and your Messenger sounds will be available again through your Messenger. But if also all of these settings are turned on your Messenger but the sounds won't still come back, if the problem continues, you can see there is the customized notifications option available for us, which says the sound and appearance option. Tap on that guys, and you will be taken to the settings of the Messenger sounds on your phone, not just the app but on your phone. And over here guys, you can see this is the sound notifications and sound settings on your phone for the Messenger app, and check either of these are turned off. You can see guys, currently the show notifications is turned on, it's not on silent. I just put it on silent. If it wasn't on your silent, put in back to alert, and you can see, so as pop-up you can go through these two, and you can see you can turn off the vibrate, you can turn on the sound of here over here you see yourself. And after you have tried all of these guys, still your sound doesn't come back, try reinstalling your app on your phone. That will help to clarify any crashes and the sound on your phone will be back again. And guys, but if you have tried all of these, still the sound won't come on your phone, maybe there is a problem with your hardware, you might want to check it. But after going all of these steps on the settings of your phone, your sound should come back on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how you fix your sound problem on your Messenger app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.